beautifos, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy you joined. I'm so happy you clicked the button to actually watch this video. So make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend, and then we can all be friends. Yes, one of my favorite Biggie quotes. But anyway, my channel focuses on fashion, travel, and just overall lifestyle, and I drop videos every Wednesday and every Friday. We are doing something special today because I haven't done this in so long. Y'all, I have not packed for a trip in, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. So I'm so excited. I'm actually going to Houston this weekend amidst COVID. And I say amidst because COVID is not over. So I hope that you guys are, wherever you are, you're staying safe. You're still taking, you know, the necessary safety measures. You're washing your hands. You're wearing your mask. You are socially distancing to the best of your ability. I have all these things here on my table, and I'm just going to talk about why I'm packing these things, why I picked some of these items. So without further ado, let's get to packing. Okay, so now that I kind of panned the table and showed you guys the clothes that I put aside, let me go through them kind of outfit by outfit, just to give you guys a little bit more in-depth reasons why I packed these. First outfit I'm going to talk about is these pair of denim shorts that I purchased from Levi's. I actually got these from TJ Maxx. I was out with my parents yesterday, and you know, you got to go into a TJ Maxx when you see one. You just do. It's probably criminal if you don't. These were $14.99, and I will try to tag them or something similar if I find them. I really like these because they had this kind of like fringe detail in it. I don't know, it reminded me of like kind of cowboy boots, and it's Texas. I don't usually shop for every trip that I go to, even though sometimes I do, but I saw these, I picked them up, I thought they were fun. I plan to pair these with this Kenzo X H&M. It was a Kenzo H&M collaboration a couple years ago, so I thought this would be a cute pairing. I actually have to take these shorts to my tailor just because they were a little bit big. I did purchase them oversized because I didn't want the shorts to be extremely tight. So once I get the waistline tailored, I will go ahead and pack it. What I typically do for denim, I pack them on opposite ends of my suitcase because denim can be weighty. So I don't typically like to stack them on top of each other because there's going to be an imbalance. So to keep my suitcase or kind of balanced, this is just a carry-on. Again, 4 nights, 5 days. I don't need a bunch of stuff, but I do need options. Next denim outfit up are these kind of camouflage shorts. How cute are these? These are women high-rise. I also found these at TJ Maxx, and the price was, I already ripped the tag off because they were $14.99. Again, I bought these oversized. This waist size is a 34. I'm okay with that because it's going to fit me loose throughout the thigh area, and I plan to eat a lot this weekend, so I'm all for that. And I'm going to pair this with this NastyGal, can't speak, NastyGal padded t-shirt. I have featured this shirt before, so you guys have seen it. This is a dupe of the And Other Stories military padded shoulder sleeveless t-shirt. I also have that t-shirt, but I took it to the cleaners and they somehow messed up my padding, so I'm a little upset that I spent all of that money on a t-shirt and now I can't really wear it. I mean, it's very naked to the eye. It's usually me who can only see it because I've worn it before, so I know how it's supposed to fit. But this is the second outfit that I will be wearing. I really like these, again, like I said, because they kind of had like this fatigue print, but it's in a super light denim wash. I haven't seen that before, but leave it to Levi's to get you what you need. For dinner, if we do go to dinner, I plan to bust out this long sleeve lightweight sheer animal print top from H&M. I got this in stores probably a month ago. This retails for $19.99, and I got it in a size small because it is like large. It is kind of oversized, not kind of, it does run big, it seems like. And I'm going to pair it with these orange shorts that I also purchased from H&M. These are wide throughout the leg. They're kind of like this polyester material. Again, cotton is probably the best bet when you're traveling to humid places because you're not going to sweat through. Well, you will sweat, but it's not gonna like sweat through the fabric as much. So these shorts are super cute. I cannot wait. I've already worn these, and if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen them on the pictures. So make sure you do. You don't want to miss any of the good stuff. These retailed, I want to say, for about $34.99. I purchased them online, so the tag is already gone, but I will go ahead and put all that information in the description box if I can still see it. I don't know if we're going to dinner. I don't know if all of the establishments, like the food establishments in Houston, are opened again. Even though Texas rather was one of the states that opened up fairly quickly after states started opening up amidst COVID. I don't know what I'm going to expect. So I still plan to be prepared. Second outfit that I plan to wear out is this two-piece floral set from Zara. This is from last year's collection. I have featured this before in one of my videos. I think it was the best of the, what video was that? I think it was like what I wore best traveling abroad. I'll put that carded up here somewhere within this square so that you guys can see it if you haven't had an opportunity to check it out. And then I think I also have a picture of this on my Instagram. Again, that is where all the goods are. Customs_chic. This is a lightweight fabric. This is polyester. The pants are double lined just slightly so that, you know, it's not, you're not showing all of the goods. And they're very breathable. There is some stretch back here. You guys can see it, there's some stretch here. This is a size medium, and then it has a zipper closing. I don't know if this is still available. Again, like I said, this is Zara from last year. And then the top is not necessarily a crop top, but it does show a little bit of your stomach. So if you're not going to be comfortable with that, you can put on a little tank top underneath it and you'll be good to go. Now, la pièce de résistance. Yes. This is an oversized, and when I say oversized, I mean super, super oversized straw hat that I got in a rust color. I got this from Forever 21. It was on sale. It was about it was like $20. And this was literally a month ago. I literally just got it because I think of COVID again. All shipping is super delayed. So I wanted to feature this next so I can show you guys how I packed this amidst my carry-on. I initially was just gonna like throw it on and like walk through the airport, not with a bun, but just, you know, just wear it because I'm extra like that, like give them, you know, Dominique Devereaux from Dallas. But then I thought better of it, so I'll just pack it. Okay guys, so for all of my visual learners like myself, I figured I would do a quick voiceover showing you how I pack my hats when I travel. This is the first time I've actually traveled with a hat this big having to go into a carry-on, but that's okay. The same concept sort of applies. What I'm doing right now is putting the flap of the hat or the outside of the hat, I'm tucking it in underneath the clothes that have already been packed. This hat is pretty big and flexible, so it's allowing me to do that. I'm just tucking it in, making sure everything is secure. To make sure that the brim of the hat keeps its shape, I also tuck clothes right on top of it and then all around it just to make sure that it's nice and safe and it's nice and secured. So we are good to go. That's it. Next up, I am going to be packing my little house dresses, like I said, in case we decide to do nothing or in case I decide to do nothing, because I did the most the night before or the day before. I'm packing two little simple dresses. This first one is a black ribbed tank dress. I think I purchased this from Boohoo. You can purchase these from anywhere, literally Target, you know, Ross, TJ Maxx, ASOS, H&M, Zara. There is nothing special about this dress. It is just a tank ribbed bodycon dress that in case I decide to do nothing, I can just throw on. So I packed this one. And then I am also going to bring another just simple dress from H&M. This was from last year's collection, and I believe it's the Conscious line. Actually, it's not. This is just a regular size 6. It is see-through. It has just a little bit of ruching detailing like around the décolleté. And it is spaghetti strap. It fits me mid-length and it's kind of like this billowy. There's no shape or nothing fancy about this dress, but it is super comfortable. I will pop up a picture of me wearing this dress so you guys can see it because of the lighting. Again, it's just this black and brown dress and it has some just gold detailing coming down the side. Next up, I'm going to be packing the cover-ups for my bathing suits. I think I have featured this one before. This is a black floral kind of lace slip dress from Graffiti Garb. I did mention this before in a couple videos ago. It was the 5 summer style essentials that you need. So I'm going to pop this up somewhere in this square so that you guys can see it. So because this doesn't wrinkle, this is perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and fold it like this and not worry about it. Just throw it in the suitcase. It's not going to wrinkle. It is I want to say polyester material. So yeah, it's fine. And then I'm also going to bring my floral one. Can you tell? I love florals. This one is super old from H&M. They remake this kind of every year. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description box. This was also featured in my 5 summer style essentials. So if you are interested in something like this is a caftan and it does button up and down. Again, it doesn't wrinkle, so I don't have to worry about any of this. I could steam it if I needed to, but not really necessary at all. Okay, so now that we have kind of talked about everything that is in there, the last thing to pack is just my bathing suits, and I'm just going to show you guys these very quickly. This is a super cute one-piece striped bathing suit. I purchased this from Nordstrom's last year sometime after I came back from vacation, because when I'm on vacation, I'm also thinking about the next vacation. I know, it's a disease that I have. So first bathing suit that's going to go in there. Again, not really worried about this. Maybe I'll just pack it inside out just in case anything spills. But I'm not going to pack any of my liquids in here. I'm going to throw that in a backpack. I'm packing super light. Again, 5 days, 4 nights. One of those days I do plan to do nothing. Don't tell my friends. So I probably don't need all this stuff. Next one up is this nude bathing suit that I actually purchased from Ross. Love this. This was $14.99 and it is by O'Neill, the sunglass brand. So shout out to them. It's very hard to find a nude bathing suit. This is more so of a taupe. This is not my nude. It may look, I mean, when I tried it on, it fit really well and it looked good. So that's always a plus. And then this is the bathing suit I purchased from Portugal when I was in Lisbon last summer. And I plan to wear this with my little hat, little photo shoot. So stay tuned for that. I'm excited. The brand is Oisho, and this is a trikini. Oh, a trikini. Look at that. That's very fancy. Again, just folding these, nothing special about them. Throwing it in the suitcase. And then the last bathing suit that I'm going to bring is again from Andrea Iyama. This is another one piece. There's a trend here. I'm really into one pieces. I don't love two pieces. It's always hard for me to kind of like find them, but I always like a good one piece when I can find it. It's got this like leaf detailing. Andrea Iyama does this a lot with her clothing, and I have a dress from her as well that kind of has this same very cute detail. So those are the clothes that I am packing. I've already packed my, you know, undergarments and my pajamas. I put that in the sort of front flap of my suitcase, so we don't have to worry about that. There's a couple shoes that I need to bring in. That's it, y'all. We are wrapped up. Oh, and accessories. Let's do that very quickly before we forget. You don't want to not complete the outfit. You need accessories. Accessories table very quickly. I don't plan to pack much. I'm going to bring this straw bag from ASOS that I purchased. It is a dupe of the Jacquemus bag. And then I'm going to bring these jute sort of espadrille-esque mules from Steve Madden. I love it because of the straw, and then it's super easy. It screams summertime, and if we do in fact dress up, I think these will go seamlessly with my going out outfits. I have a couple of pair of earrings here that I've decided go with some of the outfits that I have. They're interchangeable. I made sure that I packed a neutral one, and I'm also probably going to do a earrings collection. I didn't realize I had so many earrings, but yeah, stay tuned for that. And then I just packed some simple slides from Zara. These are like 3 or 4 seasons ago. My super dandy cute bow slides from Melissa. And then just this Bottega Veneta dupe in the royal blue color or sky blue color, just in case we, you know, do something and I want to be a little fancy. So that is that for accessories. Okay guys, so that was it. We are packed. I'm super proud of myself because I did that. You know, it's probably took more time actually doing it than taping it, but I'm 4 days early. I don't leave until Thursday night, but I'm so excited that I was like, I'm gonna use today to pack. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated. Follow me on Instagram so you can kind of see my moves. I won't share it all right on Instagram because like I said, I will be vlogging the actual trip to Houston. It's gonna be super fun. Gonna meet up with some friends, meet some new friends. Make sure you tell your friends to be my friend. We can all be friends. Tell them to like, tell them to subscribe, tell them to share, tell them to hit the bell notification so they know each time that I drop a video, which is, yep, every Wednesday and every Friday. And before I go, because I promised us I would do this, my youngest niece and nephew, Zoe and Joshua, hi, I know you guys are watching, so they watch my videos all the time and they say hi to me, but because obviously I'm on the screen, I don't know that, and I can't see them. So this is for them. I love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.